Manyora alleges why Jubilee announcement to back Matiang'i for presidency should worry Ruto. In a turn of events that left Kenyans on the unity of the united opposition, it is when the former cabinet secretary was endorsed as a Jubilee Party presidential candidate ahead of the awaited 2027 general election. Number one, political expert and commentator Professor Herman Manyora. He has explained why Matiang'i has an advantage following the support from Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta, who is representing the entire Mount Kenya region.